In this video, you're going to discover how to make money with Bitcoin for literally free, and I'm going to walk you through the step and the idea behind it, how you could possibly make money with Bitcoin without any investment upfront. As you can tell nowadays, across the internet, this topic is very trending, especially like Dogecoin, Bitcoin. Especially Dogecoin is exploding right now. Elon Musk is tweet every couple of times for the past couple of months. So there are so many people investing to the cryptocurrency. But if you were someone couldn't afford to have a Bitcoin, before that, I just want to draw your attention to this particular. Let's see how much per Bitcoin costs right now. So one Bitcoin equal to $39,000, almost $40,000. If you are staying in my country, which is Malaysia, $40,000 could actually give you, you can actually buy an apartment for this much of money, right? This is the money that I don't know about you, but me personally, I don't have this much of money to invest in Bitcoin, but I wanted to make money with the Bitcoin. So how is it possible? Stay with me until the end, because I'm going to reveal to you how you can actually make money. Actually, you don't even have to invest in Bitcoin, but you still probably can make money with Bitcoin, right? So if you just came across to the video, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification and give this video a thumbs up as well if you could find some value throughout my sharing over here. So we are talking about Bitcoin. So regardless of whatever cryptocurrency that you are interested in, it is okay if you were someone that has invested years ago. You could probably become a millionaire already today, but if you're not, it is not a problem at all, because you are going to discover how to do it perfectly for free. Okay, so let's dive to YouTube right now. So this is YouTube. If I were type in how to make money with Bitcoin for beginners, for example, right? So I'm going to be able to see a bunch of video related to the topic that I wanted. Okay, so let's take a look at all this bunch of videos. So many people are sharing about Bitcoin. So many people are talking about Bitcoin. YouTubers, bloggers, influencers are talking about it. Okay, so the thing is, I'm pretty sure almost 70 to 80% or maybe 90% all of this influencer or YouTuber that filming this Bitcoin, they are not really invest directly with Bitcoin. But what they do instead, they are actually providing content about Bitcoin that related to cryptocurrency, and then they are actually making money right now, right? For example, all this video, they are making a lot of money by YouTube ads. Okay, so that is the idea. So if you couldn't afford this much money, what you can do instead, you can become a blogger and you can write an article about Bitcoin. You can become an influencer. You can create an Instagram page and sharing about Bitcoin. And the best part, I think I will highly recommend you to go with YouTube, because YouTube is passive. Once you put your content in, it's going to last forever as long as the YouTube exists. Okay, so that's the idea. And furthermore, right now this topic is trending, this topic is exploding. So if your video could actually appear on the first page result, like this guy over here, you are going to get a lot of attraction, a lot of attention. And then the idea is, when you get a lot of attention, so many people are going to click on your video, watching your video, and then you will be able to make money with the ads revenue, right? It's just like years ago during the gold rush, you can actually make money with the gold rush instead, which is mining the gold. But you can also, way smarter than mining the gold rush, is you can sell people the shovel. All right, so that's the idea. Instead of investing directly with Bitcoin, what you can do instead is you can actually providing the content, right? So just take a look at the keyword vidIQ, right? This is actually a extension from Google Chrome. You can have it by go to vidiq.com, right? So I'm going to type in free Bitcoin mining site without investment 2021, right? 2021, and press enter, and you can see here the search volume for this particular keyword is 85,000. Means that so many people are looking for this content, for this information, but the competition is very low. This is where you can actually dive in and get on board and creating content about this particular topic. And when people find your video, they're going to watch your video, and when you have enough view, you can, when you meet the minimum requirement of YouTube to make money with the ads revenue, you'll be able to make money with the ads revenue. Okay, so let's take a look at this keyword over here, new free Bitcoin mining site. 1000 plus keyword research, 1000 search volume, and the competition is very low. Okay, this is actually the idea how to make money with Bitcoins. So that's number one. which is with the ads revenue. And number two, you can actually go to Wallet Plus. By the way, Wallet Plus is actually one of the biggest affiliate platform right now, and you can search for the product. This is crypto coin drop, right? So this is the vendor, James Renault. What he did was he's actually creating a product that related to Bitcoin. Maybe he is an investor for Bitcoin, so he has some knowledge, and then he pack up that knowledge into ebook or video, and then they sell it. You as an affiliate, you can actually help them to get more sales, to get more customer, and in a result, you're going to get 50% of the commission. Okay, this is actually one of the way on how to increase or how to make way more money with Bitcoin. So there are a bunch of affiliate platform. This is another one, which is Digistore24. You can go ahead, get signed up, and this is actually all the cryptocurrency related product. Okay, this is 50% of the commission. You can earn up to 400 if you get a sale, right? So this one, same goes with this one is 50% of the commission, and this one is 10% of the commission. So that is the idea. So instead of investing directly with Bitcoin, you can actually make way more money around that topic. Okay, so there's another one, which is ClickBank. This is actually the most biggest affiliate platform in the world. So Crypto Vault, so Victory Crypto, this is all the product, the digital product, by the way, that related to Bitcoin. Okay, and if you want to start, you can start with YouTube. You can provide a lot of value. You can learn from somewhere else, and then after that, you can actually provide a content related to the thing that you have learned. Okay, so number two is you can increase your revenue, your profit, by actually promoting those affiliate products that are related to Bitcoin. So that is the idea, guys. So you can literally start for free, and you can become a blogger, or you can become a YouTuber, or you can even become an influencer by selling related stuff with the Bitcoin. So I hope you get some value throughout my sharing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you could find this video could give you some value. Okay, and if you want to learn my number one recommendation, how to make full-time income online, click my first link in my description down below. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.